the infamous dance right here. What's up, y'all? This is the long-awaited Fashion Nova Curve try-on haul. I know I've been promising y'all this video for months now. And the clothes I got right now that I'm about to show y'all, they're probably 3 weeks old. Well, they were delivered to me about 3 weeks ago. Now, the clothes that I ordered months ago, when I promised y'all the haul back then, I've been wearing them and I can't even remember which is which. So we're just gonna focus on these clothes that I ordered 3 weeks ago. Y'all, I got a dress. I got a dress that I'm gonna be trying on for y'all today. So hopefully it looks cute. Hopefully all these clothes look cute. I really don't have a problem with Fashion Nova's sizing. Maybe one or twice I had problems with their sizing on a pair of jeans, but that's about it. I rarely order shirts from Fashion Nova, and if I do, I order a size 1X. So basically all these are jeans and leggings. I do have a couple accessories, which includes a hat and a fanny pack, and all of my jeans are in the size 1X. So I ordered some camo shorts, and they're size 1X, and it says Ranks Camo Bermuda Shorts. Oh, hold on. I didn't know these had slits back here in the booty. Like, I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, hopefully it's lower. I mean, it's not that far. Oh Lord. Y'all, I ain't trying to be out here looking like you know what. But I didn't pay attention that they had these rips back there. So these are the Ranks Camo Bermuda Shorts. Like I said, in the size 1X. And they were $27.99. And I always use a 30% off coupon. So you could do the math on that. All right, y'all, so this is what they look like on. They come just at my knee. I'm pretty short, I'm 5'2". This is what the back of the rips look like. It's not too bad. I mean, I don't think I have a huge butt like a badonk, but probably somebody who does, it probably will, you know, stretch out more and it will probably reveal more. Mine is pretty flat, so yeah, I don't think I would have a problem. When I walk, it just shows a little bit. So that's not gonna be a problem. But yeah, they're very stretchy and comfortable. So yeah, these are definitely a keeper. And these have 97% cotton and 3% spandex. I know some people like to know that. I know I always look at the spandex of any jeans before I buy them. Like, my jeans have to have 2% or more spandex. So yeah, they're really stretchy. Like I said, keep in mind, if you have a big old booty, your booty cheeks might be more revealing than mine. Like, this part is gonna be more enlarged than mine, and it's gonna make the holes more open. If you're going for that look, hey, do you. But I sure wasn't. We have some joggers. It's called Race Me There joggers. And I got them in a size large. Uh-oh. What in the world? What was I thinking? See, I hate when I do this. These ain't gonna do me right. These ain't gonna do me right. Look, these ain't gonna do me right. Like, we gonna try on these together. We gonna try them on together. I don't know what made me get a large. I don't know if I was just feeling myself that day and was just in denial, thinking I was smaller than I really am. But a large, girl. All right, so let's try these on. I don't have on no pants on under there. Y'all can't see, but this is about to be, oh, this is about to be embarrassing. Can't do it. You already know you cannot fit the pants if you can't get them above your knee. You already know. Just take them off. Just take them off. Okay, I got them on both legs. I wish y'all could see this, but y'all, okay. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, y'all know the wiggle dance. Okay. Oh no, they're not bad. All right. Maybe I didn't know what I was doing. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Let me fix the pockets. The pockets are kind of busted out though. That looks stupid because it's so, oh goodness. Okay, so they're not bad, right? I did get them up on the legs and they do feel comfortable. This is the infamous dance right here. Okay, do y'all see how the pockets is all busted out? Got my little pouch right here, but that's all right. We'll cover that up with a shirt. I don't know, but they are comfortable. That's so surprising that I can fit a size large. Like, I could use an extra large though for that extra room, but they're fine. Like, they're good. And I like the way how it's just real skinny right here, and I love this detailing. Okay, so these are a keeper. A keeper, like I said, they are on the thick side. So these will be perfect for fall and winter time. Okay, since this hat is right here, just all in my way, I picked up this hat right here. Did I tore the tags out? I tore the tags off the hat, so I don't know the name of the hat. But I like this little red strip. I like hats that's like this, what you call it, taxi hat? I don't know, I might be old school. They might be calling them something new. But I like this style of hat, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to, okay, yeah, I can fit it over my wig here. So this is how it looks. It's really cute. I really like it. It's cute. So it is kind of tight, but that's because I got this wig on and you can't adjust it. It's kind of giving you that Gucci vibe, the bootleg Gucci vibe. And that ain't why I purchased it, because I can care less. I just like the style of the hat, and I love the red strip right here and this little gold detailing on the side. I'm pretty sure this probably is a Gucci imitation. I don't follow Gucci like that. I can care less about some Gucci. Like if they have a hat like this, it'd probably be like $600–700. No ma'am. This was $9.99. Next, try on this dress, y'all. So this dress is in a size 1X, and it's called New Look Denim Dress. Okay, and it's in medium wash. Now this was so cute on the model. So cute. Okay, it's a long sleeve dress, because I forgot what the dress looked like. But it's a long sleeve dress, and it got a red and white stripe on the side here, and on the other side. Hey, sis. Ooh, I like it. It's a little wrinkle, but that's all right. Cute. Okay, let me stop. Sleeves are a little long, but I can probably just roll them up. See how they almost cover my hand. I like it, and it's not too short. It's not too short. That's what I was afraid of. I don't like the mini skirts that come all up here and you constantly gotta pull it down every time you walk, and when you're sitting down you gotta be, I ain't got time for that, y'all. That's just not me. I cannot. I need to be comfortable, and I need to just be able to just flop down and sit down, have my legs open, what you know what I'm saying, whatever. Walk without worrying about doing all this and all this. This is the perfect length. All right, I turned down the brightness so y'all can get the true color of this dress. All right, so next is some jeans, and they're called We Out jeans. Bleach blue wash, size 1X. Just probably basic jean. Oh, no, they're not. Like I said, I forgot what I ordered, y'all. But these have rips at the knees. Oh, no, it's one rip at the knee. Can y'all see that? Okay, it's one rip at the knee. And then it has a rip right here at your thigh. It goes from a medium wash to light wash, all the way down. Okay, so this is what these look like. Just basic, back. Yeah, just basic, but they're nice and roomy. I don't have any jeans like this as far as going from a different color. We're going to a different color. So far, all of them are a keeper. These are Jeanette lace-up pants. I bought some lace-up pants. Size 1X. Oh goodness. Okay, what was I feeling like this day when I ordered these? Oh, these look huge though. So they got laces on each side of the legs, and the lace and it's all the way from the top to the bottom. And it's just like one zipper right here in the middle. I don't know, it's giving me stripper vibes. Okay, so they are big. Like, it's definitely big. I don't know, I like them. They different, I like them. I'm gonna have to keep pulling them up, I see that. And this is what the back looks like. There's nothing in the back. I don't know, y'all. It don't seem like I can dress these down. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it seems like I have to wear heels with these. And y'all know I ain't doing that. Okay, so these are some black pants, and they call rollout jeans. We got about 4 or 5 more pants, y'all, so hang in there. These are size 1X, but look how skinny they look. Okay, what's going on? What attracted me to these jeans? Oh, probably just the rips. I love ripped jeans, love them. So I don't like it so tight on my belly like this because you see it giving me that muffin top, and I just can't, I cannot do that. Okay, well this shirt kind of camouflages it. Yeah, if I wear a big enough shirt, see the shirt kind of camouflages that. Okay, these are really tight and not comfortable at all, giving me the muffin top, but they're cute. I like the rips. Flatten my booty even more, so this does, so these jeans does nothing for my butt. It's already flat, like I don't want it flatter. Like I hope y'all kind of enjoy the way I'm doing this video. I know a lot of try on hauls is a little different, where they sit down and then they have a little picture on the side, and I have done this in the past, and they have like a little video on the side of them trying on the jeans or with the jeans already tried on. But I wanted to do it more realistically. Like I wanted y'all to like feel like y'all was here with me. Okay, so we got some shorts, and these shorts are called Mariana Distress Bermuda Shorts, light wash blue, size 1X, and they have rips in them, of course. There's no rips in the back, but it do have like some distress on the pockets. Try these on. These don't feel as stretchy. I should have looked at the, these, I don't even think these have a stretch, because see, like I cannot go through this much trouble to put on some jeans, some pants. I cannot. I need to lose a couple more pounds for these last 2 jeans that I just showed y'all. These rips are really tight against my legs. Like it felt like if I was to sit down in these shorts, like the fat would just be like super big, like busting out of them. So I can already tell, like, I can tell that there's just gonna be just fat everywhere. And this is what the back looks like. I don't know. Okay, so here we have just some leggings. It's like newspaper print, and they're called Cheyenne High Rise Leggings. Black and white, extra large. Yeah, I do usually get an extra large in my leggings, but it's like newspaper print. So I thought these were cute. Oh, you know what? That's what I didn't like about Fashion Nova leggings. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Let me put them on, because I have another pair of Fashion Nova leggings. Okay, so I hope y'all can see these, but this was what I don't like about Fashion Nova's leggings. They don't hug around your ankles, like they be loose. Like that looks stupid. I mean, these would be cute with like some boots or something, but this looks dumb, flapping like that. It needs to be, you know, tight. It needs to be tight. So these are called Sail Away Skinny Jeans, light blue wash, 1X, and it has this little detailing on the side. I don't know, from the looks of it, it looks ugly to me, but it was probably cute on the model. That's why I bought them. They do have a lot of stretch to them. They don't look like them. Sometimes these jeans be looking so stiff, but they be having a stretch. So let's see. And these don't have any rips. So let's see. Okay, so these are easy to put on. I don't have to huff and puff. I didn't even have to do the dance. I don't know how I feel about the side here, but I mean, it's something different to get away from the rips, I guess. But it do have this little distress part here at the ankle or down here. Let me show y'all this real quick. This is a fanny pack, and the name of this fanny pack is, I don't even know, but I got it off of the Fashion Nova men's over there in that section. So it's pretty big. It's bigger than I thought it would be. But then again, that's good because I can hold a lot of stuff in here. It has a little zipper here, and then here's the main compartment here. Let's take this out. And it's got red inside, and it's pretty deep. And then it has this little strap here. This right here says Light Dreams. Then it's just red right there. All right, this is the last pair, y'all. Then I'm gonna let y'all go. This is called The Way We Were Distressed Jeans. I got some dark denim this time. These are kind of basic. They just have a rip here and a big rip here. Oh, this is cute. They're not basic. Okay, so they got the rip folded down. Ooh, I'm excited about these. I like, let me see. Ooh, I like the way it's like flattening out. Like, look at this. Look, like, sus, look at this. Look at the way these jeans just flatten you out right there. All right. I like it. It's so cute. I'm so lame, y'all. This is what the back look like. Nothing special back there. But this is is so cute. It just looks like I got on a waist trainer. It just sucks me all the way in. Like the pouch is darn near invisible. Okay, I'm about to go in there and order and see if they got more colors than these. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This feels so weird. I did it like this because I just wanted y'all to feel like y'all was right here with me. Thumbs up the video if you want more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.